you're enjoying the day trip so far. The next stop is going to be Moody Mansion. Now, Moody Mansion is the home of the Moodys, who were a very prominent family in the Galveston area. So they have their own little water park hotel thing going on over by Schlitterbahn. Everything around here is like named after Moody, so they're just like a pretty popular, predominant family back in the day. And the way I do these tours is we're going hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, so that we're not spending all day in the Texas heat of a warm, late June. You're welcome. So Moody Mansion was built in 1894. It is said to be the first steel framed residential structure in the state of Texas, and it is a survivor of the 1900 hurricane. So seen a lot, been a lot, and it probably survived because, well, it's still architecture, right? So don't be like me. I parked on the street, but they have this big parking lot in the back that I didn't know about, but now you do. You park back here, you don't have to worry about street parking. Go on over to the ticket office and get your tickets. So you come to the gift shop to get your tickets. And when you do, then you start off here in the garage where they have 3 historically preserved cars. Then you're going to go inside the house and you're going to ring the doorbell, and a person will come open up the door, and then you give them the ticket. So they got set up kind of like a housekeeper, I guess, or a butler maybe. We'll figure out what it is. It'll be pretty cool. Some pretty nice cars. You want to look at them? Let's go look at them. I'm not going to touch Daddy's caddy because she looks like she means business. Something tells me Mr. Moody liked money, so much so that he wanted all of his cars to be the color of it. They're pretty nice though. was that? The architecture and the design, the craftsmanship, it's just perfect. What do you call a waiter that can't get your order right? A dumb waiter. Just in case power goes out, candle. That's pretty cool. Now this room is in the back corner and it supposedly has the best cross ventilation ever. And when Mrs. Moody died, the valet came up here, but while she was still alive and she was gone, Mr. Moody would stay up here and enjoy the nice breeze. So how about that for the house? Hot water heater. Put hot water in there and control it. Come out here, boom, right in the bath. Hot bath. What do you think about these walls being painted? Pretty cool. I hope they use a stencil. one thing you've noticed about the bathrooms that are different then than today? I'll give you like 3 seconds. Notice that they don't have any mirrors above the sink. They used to have full length mirrors. This full length was expensive, so it was a status symbol versus being over the sink. I love this flooring. It is seamless all the way around, even in the corners. Perfect. It's awesome. So this completes our time at Moody Mansion. What did you like? I think this house was nicer than the Bishop Palace, except for the staircase in Bishop Palace. That was pretty nice. But I think if I had to pick one of the two, I'd probably pick this one, you know. Plus it has that garage, and I'd hope that the cars would stay with the garage. But I liked it. What do you like? Be interesting to see what you like. So put it in the comments. We'll see what you like versus everybody else likes versus what I like. I would like that. Anyway, I'm going to go to our next destination, and I will see you then.